today's video, and I want you all to hit that like button, hit that and share this on, share it on Facebook, share it on you. We're going to find someone to kidnap. Putting this, so yeah, they might, then it will be one of my friends. So today we're not actually going to kill anybody. No, not kill. Should I go? Okay. Okay, I'm going for a shallow. Okay, this here, no one's in here. Okay, no one's in here. But he literally just pulled his gun out and said, "Get back," and then, what did I even do wrong? Fact. What are you doing? There will be a problem. It's in my car. Get in my car has now begun. Get in my car. Come on. In. Hurry. I need to actually sound like a real one. Get in, guys. Actually said guy, not Kai. But now we're just going to drive off to the bar, which is where everyone goes. Be quiet. Okay, I crashed there. Be quiet. At least this dude's role playing. So now we're just going to come around here. Going to turn this. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna put in brackets call for help and call for police. Call for help. Being taken silence. Let's just say that I didn't know that. Okay, so now we're gonna have to drive normal. Okay, no, that is. We're just going to drive around, go to turn around here, and boom. So now we're going to take him here, drive around here, smash his phone. Smash his phone. I'll stay there. I hope that person from the barn just comes here. And I'm just going to kill this dude. Don't know if I'm actually killing him. Hopefully I am. No. Die. Guns away. May as well just finish him off. No! Die. No, just go ahead. Ugh! I think scary gun. Excuse me, and now I'm just going to go to this parking lot over here and call the police, emergency services, police, describe your jump thing, which is going to me, locked stack. I don't know what to call it. Okay, thank you. Now I don't know. Just I'm probably going to commit suicide one because you guys are probably like 2 or 3, probably 4. I don't know. And I'll just have to wait. In fact, guys are here. I'm gonna jump off this building. Okay, so hi. Parking garage. And it's not working. The parking. And I don't know what else, but okay, it's just to go back over here and yeah, call back when he actually comes. Also, that is my friend, so shout out to him. No, I'm not gonna get in the car. I hate my life. Come on then, kill me. He's actually doing it. I'm breath. I'm sorry. Whoa, how may I help you, please? What I do. Okay. So, didn't know yes, but get back. But get back, boy. I'll jump. Stay. I'll jump. Don't come a step close. Come a step closer. Hopefully this video is gonna look back this way. And so, watch out for. We've got back up here. We've got back up there. We've got back up there. We've got back up everywhere. Stay back. I'll jump, run. Jump here. Okay, this is not going to plan. Gosh, this is nowhere near going to plan. 5 officers here. Day. Tay, I put Tay. Attack. Don't come close. I'll jump odd. Kicks in face. Gets back up. Kicks in face and gets back up. I'm just gonna put kicks. Oh my gosh, this is not going to plan at all. Back. Gets ready to jump. Gets ready to jump. Me. It will save me doing it. It will me doing it. Tase me. It will save. Push me. Push me. Guys. So that was kind of so. Let me just go to people that help me with this role play. So this guy's on my face guy now. Add friend, that is now done. So guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. And any last words? So just ignore him. Any last words? Anyone last words? No? Probably voice overlaps. No. Okay, so guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next episode.